Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with a new video to show you guys how do I remove my blackheads, whiteheads and also the pimple heads. So for this face mask, all you're going to need would be an egg. So let's quickly go ahead and separate the white and the yellow for two different masks. Now since we have separated the egg white and the yellow, let's go quickly and give a quick whisk to both white and the yellow. The other thing that you would need would be a flat brush. Once you have your skin prepped, you can apply the egg white onto your skin. Just make sure that you apply a very thin layer onto your skin. Once it's done, then you can either choose toilet paper or any thin facial tissue and start fixing the tissue paper onto the egg white applied area on your skin. Please make sure to leave your eye area and also the little baby hairs around. Continue this process and make sure that the entire face is covered with tissue paper or toilet paper or whatever you're using. And also let's quickly start with reapplying the white of the egg. So now this is your first layer of the tissue paper. Now we are going to start with layer number 2, and I do normally 3 layers. It is just simply the same process all over again. Since our main concern is about the blackheads, the whiteheads and the pimple heads, we need to make sure that the layer is not too thin and not too thick while we peel it off. One important thing that I had to call out about this peel off face mask is that please make sure that you do not use an over amount of egg white so that the tissues all turn out to be soggy and it does not peel off the way you wanted, as it might have not got hardened. Now is the fun part, as you're going to start peeling off your mask. Oh no, not to worry, it isn't like any other peel off mask, it is not painful. Unfortunately, none of the blackheads or anything are being recorded in the camera. It is not visible to the camera. So anyways, I got a good cleanse, and this is the way. So we need to wash our face. Part 2 is with the egg yolk. Let's go ahead and apply the egg yolk completely all over your skin. Leave the yolk mask for at least 10 to 15 minutes or it is completely dried off. You get to know it's dry when you see scales on your face, so let's quickly go and wash our face. I like to finish off washing away all the mask from face with warm water and applying my Clinique moisturizing lotion and giving it a good massage. And that's my DIY tutorial for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please feel free to like, comment and share the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.